Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I'm going to give you some dates and times so that you can join in on collabs and challenges. There are a lot of upcoming, and it's a lot of fun to participate. And if you get your video scheduled for the times that I give, you should have more people come and watch. What happens is when everyone is uploading at the same time, people will come watch one video and then they see there's others and they just go through and they watch every one. If your video is up late, which is fine, we don't mind that at all. I'm just telling you that if you have it on time, you may get more views. We don't care what time you upload, but for collabs, it's very important. This is April. In April, there's the Troll Doll Jamboree coming up, and that is a collab that anybody can join in as a challenge. And the idea is to get out your troll dolls and take them somewhere loud, or turn something up in the background, or use sound effects for a crowd and just show your trolls having fun. And we have a collab going on where we have sent out 3D printed troll dolls, and we are all painting them, putting hair on them, and dressing at least one. This is a hidden giveaway, so you're going to need 2 words. There is the Easter Hop Swap coming up on the 5th of April. And I said 4 because I have 4 written down. That is a collab. If you're not already in on that one, ask Jamie if she thinks it's too late, because the idea of it is we've each grabbed a partner and we are swapping Easter outfits. I almost said Christmas. And we're doing Happy Mail openings and showing our dolls wearing the Easter outfits. Every month, J Dolls UK and I are going to be doing the Dolls Gone Goth again. I am so excited. We've started it up. You can use any doll you like. I just have this little doll here that I got ready for Dolls Gone Goth when we first started. This is Gothia, and I have some others that I will be using. What we do is on the 9th of each month, we will remind you that it's coming, and we will remind you of the theme coming up. And then you show your Goth dolls in that theme. Every month we're also J Dolls UK, Dory's Dollies, Playful Reborn, and Tina's Reborns and more. Are doing the Show Us Your Elves. Again, any kind of elf doll. And we too will have a theme, and each month we'll tell you the theme. And we put our videos up on the 21st of each month. Both of these are 6 o'clock in the morning, the Elves and the Dolls Gone Goth. Central Time, yes. Check your own time. It's Central Time that I give, because that's what I'm on. Okay, and then May the 4th, Darren and I each year host just a fun challenge to show us your Star Wars. A doll dressed in Star Wars, your Star Wars collection, your Star Wars Legos, anything at all. May the 4th be with you. And that is a lot of fun. In the past, we've had a lot of people participate. It is just get your Star Wars items, outfits, etc. out and show them off. Again in May, we'll have the Dolls Gone Goth and the Elves. March 3rd, we all did a fairy theme, and we were having so much fun emailing back and forth, showing one another little items we bought, and some of the ladies put up little videos showing their eyes coming in or the wings that they were making. It was so much fun, I didn't want it to end. So I said, hey, what if we do Mermaids for June 3rd? There'll be more information coming up on that, and we would love for you to join in. That is a collab, and we will be posting those on June 3rd. Many of the ladies have already started theirs. This is a hidden giveaway, and you're going to need 2 words, and 1 word is water. I think that's all the challenges I can think of right now. However, there is a birthday party coming up. Use the other word, birthday. And that is hosted by Serenata. She has a little makey doll named Ren. And if you're familiar with her channel, you know Ren very well. Lorraine is doing a birthday party for Ren, and she's asking you to send a birthday greeting in a video. Just set up a little birthday party with your dolls, or just have your doll wish Ren a happy birthday, anything like that. That is March 28th. And I don't know if there's a particular time to put those up, but if I were you, I'd do it early, because Lorraine usually, in US time, my time, Lorraine is usually up when I get up at 5:30, 6 o'clock and start looking at my YouTube. So you got your 2 words for the hidden giveaway, and the hidden giveaway are these trolls. Now, I cannot promise that I will get these to you before the Jamboree. But Darren was making 3D printed trolls, and I thought, you know what, everybody is loving these, everybody wants them, let's do one more group. And I will try to get these off. Leave that in the comments, your 2 words, and we will choose someone and get this off. It is to the lower 48. My postage costs are climbing through the roof. One more thing, I do have a Powerball. Hope, hope, hope I win, because we have a lot of dolls to send out and a lot of postage to cover, and then we're just going to send it anywhere in the world. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Thank you for participating in our collabs and our challenges. It's so much fun, and you get to know the other YouTubers. And to me, that's what it's all about, making friends out there that share the same hobbies as I do. I can't tell you, I've made true friends, friends that I have visited, friends that I text and email with. And it's open to you too. Just jump in there and join in. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment. Don't forget your 2 words, and subscribe.